Hey, White Plains friends, it's Pastor Kelly Lyn. Reminder that construction has begun on the ceiling. Well, actually, the moving of all the furniture and getting ready to build the scaffolding to remove the ceiling has begun today. And that means this coming week, starting June the 7th, our worship, our 11 a.m. English-speaking worship will be in the Christian Life Center gym. So 9 a.m. contemporary worship, 11 a.m. Spanish-speaking worship in the chapel, and 11 a.m. English-speaking worship will also happen in the CLC gym until the ceiling removal, dig out, and repair is completed. But also starting this Sunday, we are also celebrating a new sermon series for the summer. It's called Short Stories by Jesus. It's inspired by the work of Amy Jill Levine, and we're going to walk through a bunch of the parables, the stories that small stories Jesus told to illuminate ways for our brains to work and imagine what the kingdom of heaven might look like in our relationships. So, hope you'll join us this coming Sunday at 9 a.m. or 11 a.m. We will not be in the sanctuary. Peace be with you.